Hey guys, good morning. Okay, so we're talking about Unit 7, Lesson 7 today. So the first thing says, where is Lynn? I am on, there's a link that I posted on our agenda for today, and this is where it should take you. If not, just go to Unit 7, Lesson 7, and then this is where it should be. Um, it looks better when this is all digital and you can do it online. So we will do it that way today. It says at the park, the slide is 5 meters east of the swing. So 5 meters has got to be to the right because that's east. And then Lynn is standing 3 meters away from the slide. So where is Lynn? All right. So how far away from the swings is Lynn? This is the first part that I came up with because I took it and okay, the swings, the slide's 5 meters away. And then Lynn is 3 meters away from the slide. Now, this is where I drew her. How far away from the swings is Lynn? Well, she is 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3, that's 8 meters away. Draw a diagram of the situation, including where Lynn could be, which is what we did. Draw it on your paper. And then go to question 3. You got to flip it over. Is there anywhere else Lynn could be? Well, I started thinking about this, and I guess really Lynn could be anywhere as long as you swing that 3 up. Lynn could be there. Lynn could be there. She could be there. She could be there. There's anywhere Lynn could be. So yes, there are other places that Lynn could be. All right. 7.2. How long is the third side? Your teacher will give you some strips. Well, I'm not giving you strips. We're going to use the digital version. So we're going to use the applet and we're going to answer the questions that are on your paper still. So make sure you write this stuff down. It says build as many triangles as you can that have a side of 5 and 4 inches. Record the side lengths of each triangle you build. Okay, I started out. This has a side of 5 and a side of 4. Okay, and the other one was already 4, so I left it there, and I connected it. All right, now we're going to keep the sides of 5 and 4. So we're going to keep the sides of 5 and 4. So that's one triangle, so put a little tally mark, or write them down. So write down 5, 4, 4. Okay, let's do another one. So one of the sides has to stay as 4. Okay, this one, let's say. And let's say we made this one maybe bigger. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Is that like about right? So maybe 5, 4, and 6. So 5, 4, 6. Good. We could try here, somewhere near there. Got to get them to latch up just so. There we go. 5, 4, and 8. Good. All right. Now you guys, I think that's as far as we're going to go that way. You guys try to find a few more that go this way. Okay, so you guys try to find a couple more. I'm going to pause the video and you guys try to find just a couple more because there should be at least 2. Okay. Well, another one should be, did we already do 5, 4, and 3? I don't think so. 5, 4, and 3. And I think there's at least one more. I cannot get that to stop. So 5, 4, and 2. Okay. Are there any other lengths that could be used for the third side of the triangles but weren't in your set? Yes. So we probably could have had some decimal ones. So yes, decimals. And maybe smaller whole numbers. We just didn't try them. Are there any lengths that were in your set but could not be used as the third side of the triangle? So, were there any lengths that were in your set but could not be used as the third side of the triangle? I don't think so because we matched them all up. So no. But if we had 9, it couldn't be used. Now that's because, so here, if we like took this green one over and tried to make this one 9, let's go ahead and make it 9. I don't think, see, they're not going to match up if that were 9. So that definitely wouldn't work. Okay, awesome. And you could have chose 10 even. 10's not going to work. 11, 12, anything bigger. All right, swinging the sides around. So we will explore a method for drawing a triangle that has 3 specific side lengths. Your teacher will give you a piece of paper. I'm not giving you the paper, remember. Swinging the sides around, we've got it here. Now it says use the applet to answer the questions. So if you wanted to make a triangle with the sides of 3, 3, and 4, how would you know what angle you should position the sides? Okay, so, and there's a trace here, so keep reading that. You read through this all by yourself, and then we'll go here. So I'll pause the video so you can read all that information that we just went through. All right, so first it says let AC be the 3-unit side length. Right-click on point C, trace on, and drag point C. Ugh. So right-click on point C, trace on, and drag it. All the way around. Keep going. Woo! Because we want that to be our side of 3. And this kind of goes with your exit ticket from, I think, 4. Your exit ticket, or 6. And your exit ticket had something to do, or your exit ticket today does. So make sure you pay attention. Woo, biscuit. Oh, come on. Now my trace came off. All right. Let's trace again. Okay. Now let's go to the next question. What path does C trace as you move it around? Well, it traces a circle. What other tool do we have in our geometry? So if we had like our geometry toolkit and we're at school, we would have what's called a compass to do this, but we don't have a compass right now. Using 2 different colors, draw 2 different triangles that would have the 4-unit segment as their base and the 3-unit segment as their right side. So there's the base, it's going to be 4. And then they want the right side, this side over here, to also be 3. So we're going to trace it again. Okay. Now the question up here was, we did the trace, repeat the previous instructions for BD, which is what we just did. Using a third color, draw a point where the 2 intersect. Now draw another triangle that would have. So, all right. So, oh man, did you guys see that? All right. So, anyways, when we had traced it, there were only 2 triangles that we could have made. Okay. The reason that there's only 2 triangles that we could have made was there's only 2 spots that it meets. It meets right here. See where my arrow is? And it also meets right here. Those are the only 2 spots that make actual triangles. Now, here's your other problem. They don't make, those 2 triangles though are going to be the same size. Now, here's our next thing that it said to us. It said if you had segments that were only 2 units long, so we're going to clear that. If we had segments that were only 2 units long, so let's go 2 and 2. Okay, what would happen? So I'm going to trace it. So there's a 2. There's a 2. But what happens? Is that really a line, or is that really a triangle? No, it's actually just going to be a straight angle. Now let's look at one more that's not, it's not listed on there, but let's look at it. All right, so what if we had a side that was 1 and 2? Now let's trace it. These circles, these never touch. So what does that mean? Well, it means that it's not going to make a triangle. They're not going to touch, okay? And that hopefully will help you out with your exit ticket today. All right, so I believe we have it all done. We just need to read the Lesson 7 summary. Please do the homework and your exit ticket and have those turned in by tomorrow evening. All right, have a great day, and I will talk to you all later. Email me if you need anything.